Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to select and enhance skin tones using color range. It's going to be fun and easy, so let's get started. This image is from Unsplash. I will provide you the link of this image in description so you can find this image for best practice. Now open up your practice image and go to select option. Now select color range. Option a small window of color range option will open up. From here we will adjust some options. First up, select skin tones option and turn on detect faces. If yours is not by default, switch it to grayscale. Now adjust the fuzziness. You can adjust it according to your image. Okay, now that we have got our skin selected, let's make it pop. Head to adjustments, choose vibrance and lift it up a bit. Don't make it too high because we are going to make a natural look of it. Now, to make adjustments more clear, hold down option on a Mac or Alt on a PC. Click on the mask and now select and brush tool and paint the parts we don't want to edit. And after that, click on the mask with Alt and level up the saturation to see our selections. Oh, it's too much high. Let's adjust it as we want. Okay, let's proceed to edit more. To get our selections back, hold down the command key on a Mac or the control key on a PC and just click on the mask and it loads it as a selection. Super handy little trick. Now go to hue and saturations options and make it colorized. You can adjust colors from here. To make it more beautiful, go to the blending mode options and select the soft light option. Now you can adjust the colors easily. Adjust the hue options like I'm doing and then saturation options and also lightness. Don't forget it's all about small adjustments. If you want to tone it down, lower the opacity a bit. And there you have it. We have explored skin tones and color range together. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips. Until next, keep having fun with your creations.